Welcome to the Autism Blogcast. I'm James Mancini.
And I'm Raphe Bernier.
We were invited to Vietnam by local nonprofit Medrix to provide a series of trainings at Vinmec International Hospital. The trainings included information about the diagnosis and treatment of autism, as well as discussions related to scientific research regarding the genetics of autism and exploration of possible causes. We also learned a lot about autism here in Vietnam. The parents and providers here have lots of questions about the causes of autism and what kind of therapies are the most suitable.
You know, Jim, it sounds a lot like the questions we have back at home.
Right. First up, we have an interview with Professor Lim, the director of the Autism Center at Vinmec Hospital.
We're here with Professor Lim from Vinmec Hospital in Hanoi, Vietnam. Thank you so much for taking some time to speak with us today.
Thank you for coming.
Our first question is, what are services like for individuals with autism here in Vietnam?
Autism is still quite new in Vietnam. That's why the services provided to autism children are still limited in Vietnam, especially in the countryside and remote areas.
And tell us, Professor Lim, you're a world-renowned surgeon, but you made a switch to work with autism and run the Autism Center here. Why did you do that?
That is a very interesting question. Of course, I used to work as a surgeon, but you see, the autism become a public health problem now with the 1% of people. So in Vietnam, around 1 million people suffer from the autism. So it demands a lot of services. That is why and I also have a friend, they have children who suffer from the autism. So when I talk to them, when I see their children, I know they suffer a lot, and I would like to do some contribution to help them.
Well, thank you so much for your care and your support for families with autism here in Vietnam, and thank you for letting us come enjoy your beautiful country.
Thank you so much for coming, for sharing your experience, and hope for future cooperation.
We are looking forward to that collaboration, and we'll see you back home.
We also had a chance to get out of the city of Hanoi and explore beautiful Ha Long Bay. There, we chatted with colleague Dr. David Kaminish.
We're here, somewhere in Vietnam. We've had the opportunity to speak with Dr. David Kaminish from the Children's Autism Center today. He was here on training and educational exchange in Hanoi, Vietnam. I'd love to hear a little bit about your experience here in Vietnam, what you've learned during your time about autism in Vietnam.
It's been a wonderful experience. We've had an opportunity to learn a lot about Vietnam, the people of Vietnam, and the state of autism treatment. And it's been a great opportunity to learn from them. And we have learned a lot ourselves.
While here, we had a chance to learn and experience Vietnamese culture, the amazing sights, sounds, and delicious food of Vietnam. The feeling of community here is palpable, with warm and friendly people and a strong commitment to family. We experienced this firsthand when working with the children with autism and their families.
There really is a lot of enthusiasm and passion here to learn more, to better help support people with autism and their families. We are honored to have been invited and look forward to continuing to work with the amazing people here in Vietnam as they move forward.
Wow, what a great time we had in Vietnam.
It's great. We'll see you next month.